Hello. All right, so we're doing the precipitation reactions today. I've got 9 chemicals. That's 9 chemicals. I will show them to you and you need to write them down. And then each reaction I do will be between 2 of those chemicals. So you can write down your equations then as well. Okay, so the 9 chemicals we have are potassium iodide, potassium chloride, barium chloride, we've got iron nitrate, we've got silver nitrate, we've got sodium bromide, sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide, and copper sulfate. Alright, so make sure you have those 9 chemicals written down, and I'll show you some reactions. Okay, so the first precipitation reaction we're going to do is sodium carbonate and copper sulfate. So, just going to put a little squirt of sodium carbonate in there and add some copper sulfate. Ooh. So what do you see? Is it cloudy? Is it clear? Is it grainy? Write down your response. All right, the next one we're going to do is silver nitrate and potassium chloride. So that's silver nitrate and potassium chloride. They're both clear substances. So you can see that's just a bit of clear liquid for silver nitrate. Potassium chloride, also clear. Ooh, that's pretty obvious. What do you see? Is there a color change? Any grain? Okay. Now I'm going to do sodium bromide and I don't know, barium chloride. Barium chloride, sodium bromide. Clear. They're both clear, colorless solutions. So now I'm adding the barium chloride. Water reaction. So write that down. That's this one. Looks pretty clear and colorless to me, but you write down your own answers. All right, the next one we'll do iron nitrate and sodium hydroxide. So iron nitrate is clear, but it's kind of yellowy, and sodium hydroxide is clear and colorless. Okay, so put some iron nitrate in. You can see it's clear, so you can see the black cardboard straight through that. See, this one is not clear because you can't see the black through it. It can have color and be clear, or be, yeah, opaque. All right, so that's still iron nitrate, sodium hydroxide. Might actually do this on the white. So there was definitely a change there. What change do you see? Okay, next one. All right, now I'm going to show you copper sulfate with barium chloride. So I'll put the copper sulfate in, and you can see that it's blue, but it's not the same as that blue, right? That one has like a thickness to it. This is clear. It's blue and clear. This is blue and not clear. So there's your copper sulfate. I'm going to add barium chloride. Just going to put it on here. All right. Definite chemical reaction there. So that is copper sulfate and barium chloride. All right, let's try another one. Let's go with potassium iodide. Potassium iodide and silver nitrate. Both of them are clear and colorless. You can see that clear and colorless. Potassium iodide is also clear and colorless. I'm going to add that to silver nitrate. Ooh. Ooh. Definite reaction there. It's a little bit cream colored. See, if you called that white, this one's definitely creamier. So this one here is silver nitrate and potassium iodide. All right, now we're going to do copper sulfate because it's fun. It's my favorite chemical. And sodium hydroxide. Copper sulfate, sodium hydroxide. So this is blue and clear, and this is clear and colorless. All right. So we've got some copper sulfate there. So you can see, I might take this away for this one. There's the copper sulfate. Going to add some sodium hydroxide. Oh. I don't know if you can see that. Try and lift it up. So write down what you observe happening here. That's copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. All right, now I'm going to show you silver nitrate and sodium bromide. So that's silver nitrate and sodium bromide. Again, both are clear and colorless. Back under there. Here. So there you go, that's the clear silver nitrate, clear silver nitrate, adding some clear sodium bromide. There you go. That's silver nitrate and potassium, sodium bromide. Okay, and for the last one, we'll do some potassium iodide and sodium carbonate. So So write down that. Both clear and colourless. There's some potassium iodide that you can see right there. Adding sodium carbonate. Ooh, and look at that. Nothing really happened. Okay, great. So just make sure you've written down all of those reactions and the results that you observed. If you can't see it very well, just kind of write down what you can see. Okay, bye.